Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Real Life Exotics, and today I got something cool. So guys, 4 months I didn't post it nothing, and finally I got something interesting for you. So I just came back from Florida and I had a lot of problem there. We tried to get the car has a lot of problem and we have to ship it. So car is here, let me show you, let's go. This is Lamborghini Urus. We just done, so we're gonna post that video pretty soon. Let's go. I'm gonna tell about this car later on the next video, but I'm gonna talk about Lamborghini Aventador right now. So, I came to Florida. One guy called me. He's like, "Hey, you wanna buy the car?" And I called my friend. I'm like, "Hey, we have a car coming up. Are you interested?" He's like, "Okay, yeah, let's make a deal." So, I flew same night to Florida. Today I'm going to Florida, Tampa. I never been actually in Florida. And right now it's like 10 o'clock at night, and I decided only like a couple hours ago. Some guy called me, text me, he's like, "Hey, are you guys interested? I have some super nice car. If you wanna see the car, come and check it out." And I'm like, "It's pretty good deal, so I have to leave." So I got ticket and leaving tonight. Guys, I just came to Charlotte and I have another flight straight to Florida. I'm like almost late because they changed my flight, they changed my gate, and now I'm running late. I hope I'm gonna make it. So expensive, everything here. Like bottle of water, like $6. Coffee, $7. Oh my goodness. Small coffee. Rip off. Okay guys, I just showed up to a Lamborghini dealership and look how many cars is here. So many exotic and so hot here, like unbelievable. I think more hotter than in California, in Sacramento. I'm first time actually in Florida. I live in the United States like what, 21 years, and first time in Florida. Alright guys, I'm gonna talk to manager over there and they're gonna show me the car, whatever I came for. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you very soon what we just got. See it right here. It's pretty interesting, but this car has a lot of problem. And I came here, I don't have ticket to fly back, and I'm in the middle of the Florida. I don't have nobody here. Car is broken and I have to pick it up. We'll see what happens. Are you ready to see the car? You ready? There you go. Lamborghini Aventador. It's S, not SV, but it's pretty nice too. I'm gonna take it off and show you, make a better video. guys, but this car is super clean. Look at this. Look at the seats. Look at the door panels. It's like new cluster already, like new design. One second. Car has only 5,000 miles. Right here. Guys, I forgot to tell you, this car is being flooded, and dealer tried to fix it, but I'm surprised they didn't check the fuses. I just find out the fuse is pretty dirty, you know. They're sitting completely on the floor, you know, and they're kind of dirty. So I'm gonna try. I'm so wet. I'm gonna try to fix it right now. And in the morning I show up, and I thought I can drive around, pick up the car from Lamborghini dealer and drive around and show off a little bit, you know, like I usually do. But they break axle. Dealer Lamborghini, they break axle. First of all, I show up, they said, hey, we have approved the car is drivable, we have a video, I show you. I'm like, I don't care, give me key, I'm leaving. And they give me key, I start the car won't drive, and I hear like in the back some bad noise, like, you know, creaking something. I'm like, what is going on? They said, oh, it's been drivable. I'm like, I understand, maybe it's when new, it's been drivable, car has only 5,000 miles. So, and I jump inside in the car and rain starts coming up, crazy rain. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm sitting in the car, one window leaking, battery dead. I don't have place to go. Oh my goodness, and crazy rain outside, crazy. I don't know what to do. And I don't know how long I'm gonna sit here. I have a car cover, so I'm gonna jump outside. It's crazy rain actually. Jump outside and put in cover on the car. Oh my goodness, guys, look at me. It's taking me 1 minute outside. Completely wet, completely. Waiting for the Uber and going to Napa, get some fuses. Maybe I can fix it. Whew. Oh. I need towel. I didn't know Florida like that. I never knew it, Florida like that. Okay guys, I'm in Napa. Get some fuses and go back to your car. But I just check, it's gonna be a whole day rain today. Whole day rain, so I don't think I'm gonna able to fix it the car today. Thank you. Need a bag or anything? No, thank you. Have a good one. You too. Okay guys, I got sandpaper and fuses and tester, and I'm gonna try to fix it, and my Uber is here, so let's go. Oh, that's it. Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna try. I asked them, hey, can you guys fix the axle, because that's your problem. They said, no, we don't know what is going on. I'm like, car never been on an accident, why axle is broken? And they said, oh, I'm sorry, we cannot help you. I'm like, whatever. And I pick it up the car, like I called the guys, they just pick it up the car. We're going right now to the shop and I'm gonna show you the car. So, and we're gonna see what is going on, and I'm gonna try to fix it tonight. Maybe tonight we're gonna drive around and show off. So I'm 2 minutes away from my shop and I'm super excited. I don't know what we're gonna receive. I mean, I know what, but I don't know what is going on with the car. Because if it's transmission, it's gonna be really, really expensive. But I feel like it's axle. We'll see. From my experience, it's axle. Let's go. Guys, so car is gonna be in a couple minutes. I'm excited, I can't wait because it's Aventador. You know guys, I love Aventador. So this is the Lamborghini Urus you saw on the video. It's been like pretty bad, so video is coming up soon. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Thanks man, see you, bye. He's like 5 more minutes, man. The thing like, I'm waiting for this car, they said it's gonna be Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday. Then they said, yeah, Friday for sure. Then Saturday. Today I'm supposed to be in Napa. Not for wine, no, I'm Christian. For cheese, I like cheese board. Okay guys, car is here, let's go. Okay guys, finally she's here. Let's go. It's not comfortable here. It's so hot. It's like what, 1 something? Стой, 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 стой! Спасибо. Thank you. Okay guys, finally we just received the car and we're gonna start working tomorrow. Today I just walk around, I wanna see what is going on. So car is pretty clean shop, doesn't have any problems, only maybe electrical. So car got flooded, pretty low. We have picture, the level is about like that. It's about like that. Insurance make this car already salvage or rebuild title. So I'm gonna replace all fuses because I tried to replace fuses in Florida, but it's a lot of rain. It didn't happen. And I know for sure like something happened with rear axle or differential, we'll see. So guys, this car is V12, fully loaded. It looks like it's special order because somebody ordered it like fully carbon, diamond stitching seats, even carbon fiber panel, I mean body carbon fiber. And when you open the door, this light's supposed to be light up. Check this interior, it's like unbelievable. Fully carbon, it's like brand new. Guys, this car has only 5,000 miles. It's 2018. So this guy, he paid almost 500,000, 487. It's got flooded. And he's like, I only put in 100 miles on the car, only. Door handles carbon, lines like orange lines on the door panels, matching the brakes, matching even the bumper reflectors. It's one of the expensive cars for Aventadors. I know SV and SVJ, they're pretty pricey. But this one is like S, before SV and SVJ. When I've been in Florida, I check under the car, it's like everything looks good. The car is like brand new, not even one scratch on the car. Like even the tires, like they're pretty brand new, like carbon fiber ceramic brakes, They're pretty big, but Lamborghini Urus has bigger, I'm surprised. So let me open the hood. I wanna show you something inside. Okay, guys, check this out. Underneath, everything clean. I have a tub. He shipped me tub separately because he left the tub at his place, at his house, and I picked up the car from the dealer, Lamborghini dealer. So they replaced this battery, it's capacitor, it's called capacitor. And they charge for this capacitor $6,700 just for battery. And they tried to fix the car and they told him, hey, let me buy this car from you. And he's like, how much you wanna pay? They offered him good price. And later on, they drop off like big amount, maybe 50 extra thousand. He's like, no. And he offered to us this car. So I offered to my friend and he bought it. And car is here. So I tried to start the car tomorrow because I don't see nothing bad. I check interior. I don't see nothing bad on the car. I'm surprised they salvage it. Boom, like that. But I kind of like this car. I don't want to put in nothing else. I want to leave original completely, factory, and I can guarantee you this car is gonna pass after I fix it, pass any inspection. I can guarantee. Guys, I'm sorry, I just walk around and I'm very excited because this car is unbelievable, beautiful, beautiful color, beautiful combination. Interior, I never see interior like that. It's like even the roof has line, like orange line. This car is beautiful. Guys, but listen, something crazy coming up. Guys, something crazy, like unbelievable. You'll see. Stay tuned and we're gonna show you very soon crazy build. Crazy. It's gonna be hyper car. Stay tuned. Thank you.